So what is important to STEM for young children? So let's start with STEM. What does that stand for? It stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. These are all fundamental subjects, and studies have shown that children who get exposure to these subjects through hands-on activities, they tend to be better at school and have academic success. They provide children with the skills to question the world, investigate the information, be observant of their environment, and develop critical thinking skills. Now, a lot of us are not science or math people, so you think, oh, it must be too hard, too complicated to incorporate that on a daily basis. But for young children, STEM doesn't have to be complicated, and it includes a lot of things that we do on a daily basis, like counting, recognizing colors, shapes, patterns, learning to tell the time, the weather, use technology like our phones or tablets. Kids are practically born with phones in their hands nowadays. And that's a good thing because we live in a very technological world. Simple STEM activities that you can do on a daily basis that don't require all that much is having your children express what time it is, describe the weather. You can collect backyard rocks and organize them by color, shape, pattern. You can do the same with seashells, plants, all of that. They can observe even backyard bugs and talk about them. If you're out at night, you can observe the night sky, stars, the moon, clouds. There's so much you can observe all around you that's part of STEM. There's also countless videos on platforms like YouTube, where you can find simple science experiments to try at home, such as mixing different ingredients, see what kind of reaction you produce, like science volcanoes, right? That we know as kids, mixing different ingredients like baking soda and this and that. They're ingredients that we have laying around, and kids think it's fun, they love it, and it's a great way to introduce them to science and chemistry. Platforms such as YouTube are also great places to watch educational videos on all topics, especially about science and any topic that your child might be interested in. And it's a great way to introduce them to technology like handling phones and tablets. As for technology, it's all around us. It could be DVD players, CD players, TVs, the phones and tablets, even YouTube, right? It's part of technology. And they all fall even under engineering, right? Because that's also the science that makes it tech or technology. So using the internet to research a topic of interest for your little ones and showing them how to do that is also a good way to incorporate technology as well. It doesn't have to be overly complicated. Research skills are so important in school and in life. It's important to instill that curiosity for them early on, right? If you're interested in a subject, research it. What else can we learn about it? For example, some kids love dinosaurs. It's a very popular topic with kids. They love dinosaurs. Research dinosaurs. Information about it. What can we learn? What type of dinosaurs, right? And that applies to all topics. Use their passion and their current obsession, right? Because kids are obsessive about information. Use that to develop that curiosity and that instinct to research something and to learn further about something. And that also helps because you're sitting down together, right? You're reading information together. You're incorporating literacy. And it's a great way to get those critical thinking skills early on as they enter school. Now, for our activity, that's exactly what we're going to do. I included a link to a page that gives ideas on how to create an obstacle course at home, which is good because it gets them moving, so it covers the motor physical too. But it's a great way for together, you and your little one, to do the research to put your own course together. It'll be a great time spent together and to your little one to research how to use technology to find information they may need or want. And it'll teach them how to pick and choose from the information available to them too. All right.